In this video we will learn how to set up a project for the Dolmen platform module development. Open your workspace folder. To run IntelliJ IDEA, start idea.bat. Click Create New Project. In the left panel, select User Defined, choose Dolmen module and press Next. Enter a project name and press Finish. Configure the IDEA appearance. Go to the View menu, Appearance, turn on the toolbar, and open the Project tool window. Configure your Dolmen project. Go to the Build menu and press Configure Dolmen project. Edit Module My Module JSON file. For the code, set value demo1_prvt. In the main class, change my package to demo1_prvt. _prvt here means that module is registered privately and it is not going to be distributed to third-party users. Don't use this suffix when you're developing a module with a global registration. Create private IID key. Its value would be in the range reserved for private registration. It must be unique for the Dolmen infrastructure, where you're going to use a module, your company for example. In the package, my package name, change my package to demo1_prvt. Now run module generation. Press Dolmen Gen on the toolbar. Edit my module KT file. Change my module base to demo1_prvt module base. Use context help and the import directive will be added automatically. Deploy your module to the local Dolmen server. Press Dolmen Deploy on the toolbar. These may take some time. When the module deployment has ended, run your local Dolmen server. Press Dolmen Tomcat on the toolbar. Open Server Web Interface, choose your language, enter admin login and password, and click Sign In. Go to Administration, Server and Modules, Modules. Select Demo1_prvt module and press Install. Now you have completed setting up a project for the Dolmen platform module development. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.